Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Taufik Imanulyaqin. I am from the Agrotechnology class at Majalengka University. Here, I will make EM-4 liquid, or rather, make liquid to speed up composting. Go straight to the first ingredients, namely pineapple, young banana stalk, kale, long beans, papaya, banana, coconut water, and sugar. And for the first tool there is a blender, knife, bottle, bucket, and filter. The first method is to grind the ingredients one by one, namely pineapple, banana, papaya, kale, long beans, young banana stalks. Not only by grinding, these materials can also be mashed with stones. It's just that grinding it in a blender will speed up the process. Then the ingredients that have been mashed are put into a bucket. Stir well so that all the ingredients that have been mashed are mixed. Add sugar and coconut water, then stir again. After stirring evenly, cover tightly the bucket filled with the material with a plastic bag and tie it with a rope. Leave it up to 7 days and do not expose it to direct sunlight. After 7 days, open the plastic bag tied to the bucket. Then the material is filtered so that the water from the material is released from the drugs. Then put the water in the bottle. And EM-4 liquid is ready to use.